it. Let's see what it looks like.
The drone is just there in the shop, and you'd be further in the shop.
See the drone.
Right, you just tell me when to...
Move back a touch.
Yeah. Just let me know when you're going.
It's time for the drone, and I've moved back to my original DJI.
Air 2.
And it's flying. And it's flying camera time. I've gone back to my DJI Air 2S because it can handle the wind a lot better than the Mini 3 Pro. So here we go.
There it goes.
Bring it down because I had it on the wrong setting.
Wow. Whoa.
No, you can cut now. Relax now.
Just let me know if you want to watch it.
Sorry?
I was saying to him to let him know if he wants me to keep an eye on it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, keep an eye.
Yeah.
Oh, that was dandy dusty, so that's nice.
You can slightly see a rainbow beside the tower.
Yeah.
You can see the Martel Tower a lot better on here.
Wow.
Martello Tower, right.
There you